Hello student, today we are going to see CBSE Class 12 Physics Sample Paper Solution for MCQ Term 1 exam. Question number 33 Class 12 Physics we are going to do. Actually the option is D, okay, electric field and voltage will be stronger at the point of B, okay. B is going to be here, okay. Now we are going to discuss why it is stronger at the point of B, okay. They are given the point of B, it's going to be positively charged body. So Q is going to be positive, okay. So the charge will be stay on outside when the excess charge given inside the conductor, okay. At the point of D, C is going to be negative, okay. At the point of C is going to be negative, okay. So when the excess charge is given inside the conductor will be stay on, it's going to be outside the conductor is not going to enter inside, okay. The electric field will be formed like this, okay. So electric field will be formed like this, okay. So already we know the electric field formula. What is electric field formula? Electric field is equal to E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by Q1 Q2 divided by Q divided by R square, okay. Q divided by R square, okay. So E is inversely proportional to R square, okay. See here, there are two places. One of the R will be smaller radius, one of the R will be bigger radius. That's going to be B radius is small compared to C radius, okay. Inside the conductor electric field will be 0. At the point of A, there is no electric field. Field will be 0 because inside the conductor electric field will be 0, okay. At the point of B, okay, the radius is going to be called as the R, okay. At the point of C, the radius is going to be called as a 2R, okay. So see here, electric field inversely proportional to R, okay, R square. More R will be less electric field, less R will be more electric field. So this the electric field B is greater than electric field C, okay, because B have less radius, okay. The electric field at the point of B is greater than electric field at the point of C. Compare this, okay. The same I am going to compare with voltage, okay. Voltage also same like that, okay, because electric field is equal to we know already it's going to be called as a volt per unit length. It's going to be potential gradient, okay. V and E is directly proportional, okay. VB is greater than VC. Where electric field is stronger, their voltage also will be stronger, okay. That means E at B, electric field at the point of B, voltage at the point of B will be stronger. So option is going to be D is the correct answer, okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.